Hi guys, just having a look over a vehicle we've got in the workshop today, and as I was walking past I just noticed that we've got a fair build-up of surface rust. Just looking for the car, obviously visits the beach, does some forward driving and camping and that sort of thing. So I thought I'd just take an opportunity to talk to you about something that we believe every four-wheel drive should have installed to it. We use the COUPLERTEC Electronic Rustproofing system. So how COUPLERTEC's painted and technology works is it interferes with the metal's ability to interact with oxygen, therefore in short term making hard for rust to form. So I believe if you've invested in a four-wheel drive and you want to look after it and keep it in great condition and not get any rust on it at all, you should look into a COUPLERTEC rust proofing system. I actually use it on my own vehicle. If you'd like to find out more or need a price or any further information on the COUPLERTEC product, give us a call, drop us a line or send an email.